comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Remember, this is about caring for your body. Do what's best for you. Take a moment to let go of any tension or stress and allow yourself to fully arrive in the present moment. Begin by focusing your attention on your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out. Without trying to change anything, simply observe the sensations of each inhale and exhale. As thoughts or distractions arise, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Imagine your thoughts as passing clouds in the sky and allow them to drift away, returning your attention to the present moment. Shift your awareness to your body. Start from the top of your head and scan through your body, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, imagine sending relaxation and ease to those areas, allowing them to soften and release, letting go. Bring your attention to the sensations in your surroundings, noticing any sounds, smells, or physical sensations that are present in this moment. Embrace the richness of the present moment, allowing yourself to fully experience what is here without judgment or resistance. Now let's explore different meditation techniques. We'll begin with a focused attention technique. Choose an anchor for your focus. This is a concentration practice. Choose something like your breath, or a mantra, or a specific sensation in your body. It could even be a color. Whenever your mind wanders, gently guide your attention back to your chosen anchor. Next, we'll practice loving kindness meditation, also known as metta practice. Bring to mind someone you love and care deeply for. Hold them in your heart and silently repeat phrases of love and well-being for them. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they be safe. May they live with ease. Now let's try body scan meditation. Start from your toes Bring your awareness to each part of your body, noticing any sensation or areas of tension. Softly breathe into those areas, allowing them to relax and release. Next, we'll try the technique of counting breaths. This is a beautiful practice if you're having trouble staying focused. Begin by counting each breath on the inhale. 1, 2, 3. And when you find your mind has wandered away, begin back at the beginning at 1. This is a wonderful concentration technique to help you stay anchored on your breath. As we near the end of this guided meditation, I invite you to take a moment of gratitude. Bring to mind something or someone you are grateful for. Feel the warmth and appreciation in your heart center as you express your gratitude. You can try placing a hand over your heart center as you practice this gratitude meditation. As we conclude this meditation, gently bring your attention back to your breath, this constant anchor, always there. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any remaining tension or distractions. Gradually open your eyes, allowing the external world to enter your awareness. Remember, as you embark on your meditation journey, to be patient and kind to yourself. Be gentle and care for yourself. Practice regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Even if it's just these 3 breaths, or this breath, or this present moment awareness. Just being present is a practice. Each moment of presence and stillness is an opportunity for inner growth and transformation. May your meditation practice bring you peace and clarity and a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. May your practice today and what we've learned here together ripple out to benefit all beings. May you be happy, peaceful, and at ease.